Hi guys, it's Tanya from 4Girls Jewelry with a simple bracelet tutorial. It's actually 3 I made. They're very easy to make. If you have a beads that drilled nicely, if you can go with a thicker wire through it, you can easily create something like that. It's simple. It's just one repetitive steps that you do all over again and again. So let's start it. So I will use today these pink beads. The thicker wire as you can use, I think this one is 19 or 20 gauge. Just cut nicely your wire so it will be not I never filed in this bracelet. I didn't file, I just did loop. So all we needed like this, and then you have to hammer. Small taps until it's so tough that you will not be able to move it. It goes right there. And then I like to measure so it will be constant, so I measure on these pliers. The length of the plier will be my mark. So you do this, and then because I use this mark on my pliers and all the way down, and here is another mark that I use. So one loop will be larger than the other, and I will have 2 rounds of the wire here, and then when the wire comes this way, you hug your thicker, and I cut right here, so it will be sitting behind that loop. See, that's what we will make all over again and again, so one loop will be large, one will be small. If you needed to tweak it a little bit so it's nicely sit, that's what you try to do in this bracelet. And we do it one more, so I promise it will be very quick. Again, I use the largest one on my plier, make this loop goes like that, hammer. Somebody asked me about hammering, that they hammer and the wire would crack. So probably because you hammer too hard, it's better to make very light taps. Even it sounds very loud when I'm tapping, but it's very gentle, and better to make more than just one or a few strong ones. And now we attach to the smaller one, and then I have another bead comes. Let's see, this one doesn't want to go for some reason. Sometimes it can be drilled. So now we need to make with the plier again. That's our mark. I put it up on the small, making the small one. So we will have 1, 2, wire comes, then you go around your bead, and you finishing on the other side, right there. One more bead, I will show again, and you just tuck it in. Very simple, very repetitive. When you're done, you just tweak it. It has to be parallel to each other, right? One more. On the large mark around, you have this, hammer, open, put it on, close, Why the reason I didn't file, because when I do the second wrap around this, it sort of hides the end, so it will not catch anything. It's important that your jewelry is wearable, you know, like that this will not scratch any skin or any clothing. Okay, so again, mark here this way, the small, and two wraps comes to the one that we hammer, go around gently, and you cut on the back, and you just tuck it your wire in. That's it. So, and you keep going, so you can create beautiful rosary basically linked bracelets. The one that I made, I show. I'm planning to make a lot of different colors, because I have the colors I have, like blue and green and all kinds of beads that it's drilled nicely, so I can use in those bracelets. You can also, if you want to use with something like spacers, maybe also in necklaces, you're welcome to use that idea. I think it's simple and useful. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on Tuesday. Bye.